Omega Power, also known as omega-3 fatty acids, is believed to reduce the risk of heart disease. It is commonly used with a healthy diet and exercise to lower levels of a certain blood fat called triglyceride and increase levels of good cholesterol (HDL). It is important to note that some supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's best to check with your pharmacist for more information about the specific brand you use. Additionally, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details about the safety and effectiveness of Omega Power. As for the daily dosage, it is recommended to follow the instructions on the product label or as directed by your healthcare provider. The optimal timing for taking Omega Power can vary, but it's generally recommended to take it with a meal to improve absorption. When taking Omega Power, it's important to follow the directions on the package label. If you have any questions, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. The form of the product you're using will determine how to take it. If it's in enteric-coated capsules, swallow them whole. If it's in chewable form, be sure to chew thoroughly before swallowing. If you're using the liquid form, use a special measuring device to measure the dose, and be sure to shake the medication well before each use. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical assistance immediately. When taking Omega Power, you might experience a fishy aftertaste, if the product is made from fish oil, nausea, bloating, or burping. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. Your doctor has determined that the benefits of using this product outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, if you notice easy bleeding or bruising, it's essential to inform your doctor immediately. Although rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help right away if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Remember, in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking omega-3 fatty acids, it's important to check with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to fish or other related ingredients. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions, so it's essential to talk to your pharmacist for more details. If you are pregnant, it's recommended to use this medication only when necessary, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. If you are breastfeeding, it's best to consult your doctor before using this product to ensure the safety for both you and your baby. Omega Power could interact with other medications, potentially altering their effects or increasing the risk of side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the medications and herbal products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not make any changes to your medication dosage without consulting your doctor. If someone has taken too much Omega Power and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical help immediately. In the US, you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can reach out to their provincial poison control center for assistance. While taking Omega Power, your doctor may conduct lab tests to monitor your cholesterol and liver function. It's important to attend all scheduled medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more information. Omega Power provides multiple benefits for your overall health, and it's best to take it with food to maximize absorption. The recommended daily dosage is usually 1 to 2 capsules, taken at the same time each day. Talk to your doctor about the optimal timing for taking Omega Power to ensure you receive the maximum benefits. If you forget to take Omega Power on your regular schedule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time of your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next one at the usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to take Omega Power consistently for maximum benefit. When it comes to storing Omega Power, it's important to refer to the information on the package. It should be protected from light and moisture, so make sure to keep it in a cool, dry place. Avoid storing it in the bathroom or freezing it. And as with all medications, keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of Omega Power, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.